Hi everybody. Once more we're in the car. It's a blizzard. It's not that bad, but it's getting that bad. And I cannot hear myself talk. I went swimming 2 nights ago, and I've had water in my ears that I cannot get out. I have used or tried all the usuals. So we're going to urgent care. To make a long story short, I'm out of here. Well, I got here. I know this doesn't sound weird, but it's starting to. I think we're supposed to get 16 inches of snow. Tomorrow's single digit. Which I think I'm just telling you this. I'm accustomed to it. So let's see. It is, what does it say? 12:54. We'll see how long this one takes. Well, when I got here, the whole place was empty. So I think I'm doing good on time, except they don't seem to hurry up very much here. So I'll report back. Yeah, so it's 1:56. I think it would have been shorter, but he wouldn't stop talking. Okay, the reason I came to this urgent care, which my ears hurt, is I met him at a party, the main doctor here, who happens to be, we have like several doctors as mutual friends, so I thought, I'll get good care. Oh, he would not stop talking. And he explained over and over and over, and it's like, which is cool, but like, I know, dude. So I have to go scrape my windows again, and it is starting to really snow, so I'm going to head back across town. You know how we feel about going across town. We don't like it. Okay, over out. I thought I'd vlog for a minute since my windshields are iced up and I'm too lazy. Yeah, they're about to frost. To go out and scrape them. I'm gonna try not to. So basically I have a sinus infection, and my ears are infected. So I take drugs. It's not a big deal. I mean, the only problem is I feel like I'm in a fish bowl or something. Yeah, everybody's talking and it's like, oh my God, that's what I'm hearing. So let's see. One of my videos, last videos or something, Becky, Bronson Hill, 100, had said that she didn't think turkeys were normally meat. They are not. When we were down visiting Anita and went to Uncle Buck's, we were actually petting the wild turkeys. We had bought these, or I had bought these. I can hear Ernie in my ear. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We had bought these giant white turkeys that were awful. They were mean. I have no idea why I bought them. I wish I could remember, except that I was constantly going to the feed store buying stuff for them, Ernie and Anita. And to a point where the feed store guy said, no, we will not deliver it. The closest we'll do is when I'm going home, I'll throw them out of the car at that, plot of land. But it's like, no, because I bought several things that apparently you don't buy people, but I was from the city, so I didn't know. Like I bought them a whole herd of chickens, and I didn't think that they didn't have a chicken house built yet, so we had to build the chicken house. And I don't know why I bought these 4 white turkeys, but they were giant. And they were mean. I do not know why they were mean. Nothing we did made them mean. Well, let me turn on the windshield. Aha, I can see. I'm going home because it is now officially. There's just a little bit of ice left. I laugh and it's like I go. But this is my life as a single. When I first vlogged this morning, I forgot. I still had the braid from last night in. That's how bad. It was like, screw it. I mean, I brushed my teeth and washed my face. It was good enough. And put on clean clothes. Oh, well. I know this sounds crazy, but I'm going to go get a gyro. I'm home. I just got the shoveling. It's only about 4 inches, so. Home just in time. It's cold though. My teeth hurt. And my teeth only hurt when it's like single digit. Car said it was 10 maybe. I don't know. So let's see. It's going to show you the gyro. I stopped. I got a gyro. And of course, the Bueno bar. I see. Gummy worms. Because there's going to be a blizzard. And then I bought 2 of these fuzzy balls. Because they're only $3.99. And I think my daughter's going to want this one. But whichever one she doesn't want, I'll keep. See, I bought some Smart popcorn. Drugs. That's all. Drugs. So, well, this is probably my day. I'm watching Gold Rush. It's pretty interesting. And I don't know. The Bachelor, I think it started, so I'll watch that. I was happy though. I brought the mail in. I got a check back for the towing. I'm still just not happy over that. So I might be getting AAA. So that's it for me. Doctor shoveling and clogged ears. Well, I love you guys. Thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Not that it's real fun some days like today. Bye, everybody. Boy, I'm in hog heaven. But, because I'm eating my gyro and watching The Bachelor. But it's Nick. I don't know how I feel about that. I think I have gyros all in my mouth. Well, just thought I'd tell you. If I get down on